A very good morning to everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the construction of CBSE class 10th. So in this video we are going to discuss few of the very important things which you have to keep in mind while doing the construction for exercise 11.1. Okay. So in the exercise 11.1, first thing which you will be needing is how to draw a line parallel to a given line using compass and ruler. Parallel to a given line using compass and ruler. So let's see how we'll do this. So we are having a line segment AB, and this line segment AB we have drawn an angle, acute angle BAC. AC is another line segment, and we have joined this C with B. So BC is the line, and we need to draw a line which is parallel to this BC from the point D. D से एक पैरेलल लाइन बनाना है BC के. देखिए BC के पैरेलल लाइन D से बनाना है तो कैसे बनाएंगे? We will take some convenient radius. कुछ कन्वीनियंट रेडियस लेंगे. कन्वीनियंट रेडियस कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. लेट्स से हम 1 सेंटीमीटर 2 सेंटीमीटर कोई भी रेडियस ले सकते हैं. ठीक है. बट एक एडवाइस ये है कि आप बहुत स्मॉल रेडियस मत लीजिएगा. इफ़ यू टेक वेरी स्मॉल रेडियस देन इट विल बी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर यू टू मूव द कंपस. और कंपस को बहुत ही हल्के हाथ से पकड़ना है. एंड देन यू विल ड्रॉ एन आर्क लाइक दिस. ओके. सिमिलरली विथ टेकिंग सेम रेडियस, उतना ही रेडियस लेके वर्टेक्स डी पे रखेंगे और एक दूसरा आर्क लगाएंगे. ठीक है, लाइक दिस. ओके. बोथ द आर्क्स आर विजिबल. आई होप बोथ द आर्क्स आर विजिबल. Both the arcs are visible. Okay. Now we will put the compass. We will measure the angle. We will measure the angle. What is the angle? Measurement of angle is okay. So we will be putting at this point, and we'll measure the angle. This is the measure of the angle. No, it is not. Yes, this is the measure of the angle. You can clearly see what is the measure of angle. This is the measure of the angle. Okay. This is the measure of the angle. Taking the radius equal to this angle, we will again put at this point, and we will draw an arc intersecting the previous arc. Okay. But it is not yet intersecting, so we need to take a radius. This is very difficult to take the same radius, but still I will try. I will produce it so that it is intersecting at a point. तो अब हमें एक point of intersection मिल गया है यहाँ पे. We have got one point of intersection, and we will just join this point. We'll just join this point with the vertex D. This is the point of intersection of the arc. This we will join with the vertex D. We'll join this with the vertex D. Okay. So the point at which this is intersecting the line segment AB, let's say this point is E, then we say that DE is parallel to BC. फिर से मैं एक बार बता दे रहा हूँ what we have done. First step is that what we have done, we have taking some convenient radius लिया. convenient radius. ठीक है. बहुत ज़्यादा स्मॉल नहीं लेना है रेडियस. ठीक है. और बहुत बड़ा भी नहीं लेना है. some convenient radius we have taken and draw an arc taking center with center C. सी को सेंटर लेके एक आर्क लगा देना है। फिर विथ सेम रेडियस ड्रॉ another arc फ्रॉम डी पे रख के दूसरा आर्क लगेगा। रेडियस उतना ही रहेगा जितना आपने इसका लिया है। नाउ थर्ड स्टेप इज दैट वी विल measure the angle. So we can say taking radius equal to let's say इसका कुछ नाम दे देते हैं PQ। ओके, तो taking radius equal to PQ, draw another arc, let's say this is R, another arc, draw an arc with center R, okay, with center R. So it will intersect the previous arc at previous arc at E. Join DE. What is D? D is the point from where we have to draw the line parallel to BC. Then therefore DE will be the parallel to BC, that is the required line. Hope you have understood this construction. Thank you everyone. God bless you.